if you want to make money online without investing money, without you giving anyone money, putting money in someone's pocket or giving out your hard-earned money to people, how you can do this, I have 5 methods that I'm going to talk about on this short video. All you just need to do is to watch and learn. So the first method is to start affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you going to a company, take their product, start selling this product. You are not just seeing this product physically. All you do is to promote this product with a particular link, and with this link, your visitors or your customers will click on it and buy. Then the owner of the product is the one that is going to be doing the delivering, the supply, anything that concerns all those things. It will be between the customer and the supplier. So what you have to do is just to be the middleman, which is the publisher. That is how affiliate marketing works. And what I would recommend you to do when you are into affiliate marketing is to create a free website. You can create a free website on bloggerspot.com, and on bloggerspot.com you have everything for 100% free. You are not paying any money. That is why I'm recommending you to go and use bloggerspot.com, because you don't want to invest money now. If you want to invest money, you can use WordPress, which you can get in the description below if you want to get your hosting. But I don't recommend it. I don't want you to go and invest any money. Just follow the easy method, which is the free method. Watch the video in the description that will show you how you can create your free website. So once you have your free website, then the next thing you have to do is to go and do keyword research, look for a high demand affiliate program and a high ticket paid affiliate platform, affiliate products. Let us call it a product. So when you have this high ticket product, which will pay you a high commission up to 40 to 80% commission, or 30% commission, 25%, just depend on you to choose how much you want to be making on that particular product. So once you have the product, then the next thing you have to do is to do a keyword research, write articles around these particular products, and start spreading these products on different platforms. It can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, it can be Google, it can be anywhere. But your website has to be the main place where they are going to click your affiliate link and go. So all those networks, all these places you are going to be sending your traffic to, it will be from that your blog that you have written on that your website, because we are trying to make it a brand. And all they have to do is to go to that particular blog that you have written about that company, and once they click on the affiliate link, it will take them to that particular website or that particular platform that you are promoting. So that is how this method works. And you can go and try this because it's trendy right now on internet, and anyone can do it even if you don't have any money. So that is how you can make money online without investing. So the second way you can make money online is to build a brand around that your website. So you have to make sure that your website, you have to be attracting a lot of traffic, and you have to have a lot of engagement. You need to be updating this your blog, this your website with a lot of articles that can rank on Google and drive free traffic to that your website. So build a brand with your name. Don't do any copyright content. Everything you do, make sure you create it customly. Like you can use like a website like Canva to create a custom image and all those kind of a thing on Canva. They will give you everything made by you. Just customize it, make it to look original, make it to look as your made by you, and you find your brand being unique and being different from other companies. So that is why I'm talking. That is where I'm talking about when it comes to branding that your blog, making it to be unique and different from other, and make that website to be optimized, and put every effort that you can to put that your website on top of Google when it comes to SEO, which is search engine optimization. So that is the second thing I want you to know about this business method. The third way you can use to make money online for free is to start investing. There's a lot of websites that you can use to start investing. So what you do on this platform is that you can start using a platform like, let's say for example, this platform which is called Coinbase. What you can do on Coinbase, so go to Coinbase, and once you register on Coinbase, Coinbase will allow you to start watching videos. And once you start watching video on Coinbase, Coinbase will be paying you money. And if you want to learn how you can make money by watching videos on Coinbase, you can go and watch this video that will pop up right now, so that you can learn how you can make money on Coinbase for 100% free without any investment. So go and try Coinbase out to see how you can make money with Coinbase. Let me just give you a tips on how Coinbase works. You register, and there is a session where Coinbase will allow you to watch videos, answer questions, take a quiz. You can make money. So that is how you can make money with Coinbase. And after you accumulate all those money, you can do something that I call the investing part. That is why I say how you can invest for free online. Why? Because you will invest all those money that you have earned by watching videos or taking surveys or other things that you have done, taking quiz on Coinbase, and you can invest all those money and accumulate more money, which is staking or any other thing you want to use it to invest on Coinbase. So that is how you can make money with this strategy. The fourth strategy is to start making money without money. So how can you make money without money? So this is a method which I call buying and selling. So on this method, you can go and buy products in a low price and sell it in high price. Let us say, for example, Nike Air is, let's say Nike, that Nike, I think Nike 260 or Nike 270, they are calling it, and I forget the product, but this product is let us say this product is on sales on Nike. Let me say it's on promotion. Let me say 30% off or 40% off or 60% off of that product. The product might be like $100, but now that it's on 60% off, you can go and buy it. The product will now come down to $40. So what you can do is to buy a lot of this product, like 20 or 30 of these products, then you can resell this product like 120 euros. So you are making $70 profit by doing this. So I'm doing this business that I'm just telling you. I'm not just talking like a random person. I don't want to start showing you my products, but I'm doing it. I buy products in low price and sell it in high price. This is a high quality product. This is not just like AliExpress or fake product. This is original brand. You can buy them in low price and sell it in high price. So that is how you can make money with this strategy without you investing any money. All you just need to do is to buy the product and sell it in high price. You will get all your full refund back. It's like you make 20% or 100% of your money back. So that is it. Last way that you can use to make money, which is the fifth way, which is to watching videos, taking surveys, how you can make money online by doing simple things online. Let us say you can start making money by watching videos, downloading applications, taking surveys. So this just depends on you to decide which strategy, which way you want to start using to make money online. So this now depends on you to choose how you want to start using to make money online. And what is important is that anyone can do this business, and it doesn't require any money, it doesn't require any experience. All it just needs from you is just your smartphone. Once you have your smartphone, you will be in a chance of making money online by just taking surveys, answering questions, downloading application. There's a lot of websites that do this, like a website like a Future Point, Grab Point, GC, Price Rebel, Paid Viewpoint, and a lot of other websites, App Karma, Cash Karma, a lot of all those websites. It allows you to take surveys and make money online. And the last of the list is Ysense. So you can use Ysense to make money online by taking surveys, watching videos. You can do a lot of things with Ysense. So all the websites I talk about will be in the description below if you want to try them out. It's not compulsory. Just decide if you want to start this business. And I'll end this video from here, and I'll say thank you very much. If you want to watch my video where I talk about how you can make $150 online with affiliate marketing, you can watch this video. And if you want to learn how you can make money by taking surveys, you can watch the second video. I will say thank you and see you on the next video. Don't forget, leave me a comment and like.